Unknown Ravenna, discover what lies behind the closed doors of the city. Here are some places to visit during a vacation in Ravenna. Before diving into the video, press the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. You know how important your support is for us. Let's continue with the video. Basilica of San Vitale. This ancient basilica is famous for its extraordinary Byzantine mosaics, including the renowned mosaic of Emperor Justinian and his court. Mausoleum of Galla Placidia. This mausoleum is a small gem of early Christian art with wonderful mosaics adorning its walls and dome. Arian Baptistry, another building of great historical and artistic importance. The Arian Baptistry features unique architecture and fascinating mosaics. Basilica of Sant'Apollinare Nuovo. This basilica dates back to the 6th century and is famous for its mosaics depicting biblical scenes and everyday life. National Museum of Ravenna. If you're interested in the history and art of Ravenna, this museum is a must. It houses a vast collection of archaeological artifacts and artworks. Tomb of Dante. The tomb of the famous poet Dante Alighieri is located in Ravenna. It is a place of great cultural and literary importance. Piazza del Popolo. The main square of Ravenna is an ideal place for a stroll, enjoying a coffee, or admiring the surrounding architecture. Class Park. If you want to immerse yourself in nature, visit Class Park, a nature reserve near Ravenna that offers scenic trails, unique flora and fauna. Tomo Museum. The Museum of Theatre and Opera in Ravenna is dedicated to the history of theatre and opera. You can explore costumes, set designs, and objects related to the performing arts. Beaches. Ravenna is located near the Adriatic coast, so you might also want to spend time on its beautiful beaches, such as Marina di Ravenna or Lido Adriano. City Art Museum of Ravenna. Located in the Class Complex, this museum houses a collection of artworks spanning from the Middle Ages to the 20th century. You can admire paintings, sculptures, and other artistic artifacts. Brancaleone Fortress. This imposing medieval fortress is an icon of Ravenna. You can explore its walls, visit the museum inside, and enjoy panoramic views of the city. Alighieri Theatre. This theatre is one of the most important cultural venues in Ravenna. Besides being a splendid architectural structure, it hosts theatrical performances, concerts, and other artistic events. Class Pinewood. If you want to spend time outdoors, Class Pinewood is a perfect place. This vast green area offers relaxing walking trails, picnic areas, and a lovely natural environment.
If you enjoyed the video? Subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and enable notifications.